Yeah, good morning. Been out this morning to Pentuan Trail. Nice little easy run with Dan, which was nice. Wanted to get back in decent time anyway because the old wind's coming up today, which is good. A little bit of kite surfing, which is where I'm heading now, to Par. Weather's turned though, really rubbish, but it's going to be good. It's nice just to get in the sea, do what I enjoy, relax, switch off. Yeah, you know, I always make all these posts about getting outdoors, doing stuff, having fun, but you know what, it makes you feel alive. You just get out, you know, you get out, you breathe the fresh air, and when you get home you really feel like you've done something and achieved something, you know. And you don't have to do anything crazy. Yeah, I'm training for the marathon, but I mean, even that in itself for me is really difficult. So, and everybody has a challenge, whether it be if you're just trying to run 1k, you know, that same challenge as running 1k will be the same challenge for somebody who's trying to run 5k or cycle 10k or even get on a push bike. You know, everybody's got their own challenge, and you know, that's the goal. What you need to be chasing is your own challenge. Don't worry about what anyone else is doing or what anyone else says. Just get out and do your thing, you know. Really important. And most of all, when you're doing it, you just want to be having fun. And that's the most important thing. As long as you're enjoying it, that's all that matters. Go on, get outdoors, good people, have fun.